Hi, we're here at the 2018 Detroit Autorama. I'm with my customer, Gary Niver. How you doing today?
Frank,
Nice to see you.
thank you for the great job.
You're very welcome. I'm the actual person that painted your car 2 weeks ago. Did you think I would be able to get it to the Autorama in
I
time?
didn't think you'd be able to get it here.
What do you
called
think?
and told me it was going to be here. I was surprised, pleasantly surprised.
Well, me and John Maiorano worked on your car at 2 o'clock in the morning getting it painted, so we had enough time to be able to sand it, rub it, buff it, polish it, and put it all back together. Came right down to the wire.
What a fantastic job you did.
How's the crowd reaction been with the paint
you know
job on
what?
the car?
I've been getting questions all weekend long. Who did the paint work? Who did the car? I've been offered money to sell the car.
Insane money.
Insane money to sell the car.
And you won't sell it.
And I won't sell it.
You like the paint job that much?
I like the paint job.
That's
I
beautiful.
like the car.
I told you,
Best I've ever seen.
we used a different product on here previously compared to what it was painted with.
In the beginning, when I brought it in, you told me you used a different product.
Yeah. What we ended up using is a PPG EnviroBase, which is a new technology of a waterborne base coat system. To explain it in a nutshell real quick, it's kind of like the old tube style TVs where the pixels were really big on a tube style, and on the more modern TV they have HD TV. The pixel size is really small, so there's more per square inch, so it really gives that paint depth.
Well, yeah, I could see that when the first unveiling was Wednesday or Tuesday when we brought the other two cars down, and I seen it then.
Yeah.
Unreal.
I told them that the color and the pearl and all the metallic and everything on here would just stand out at you, and it would look like you could just reach your hand into the paint job and grab that. And he really didn't believe me, but I guess seeing is believing.
Oh, yeah, I'm a believer now. Great job.
Thank you.
Thank you.